Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, you will learn how to build this awesome date card where you will be able to see month, day and year using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So here we go. Let us first create folder date card. Then open this on Visual Studio Code. And I hope you have installed Visual Studio Code on your system. Otherwise, I will create another video for how to install Visual Studio Code on your system. Just comment below. So first create our HTML file, index.html. After that, we'll include CSS file, that is style.css. And after this, we'll include JavaScript file app.js. So let us first start with our HTML part. So let us give it a title. I will give it date card with Jan. So inside the body, first we'll take one div with class container or whatever you want to give it. Yeah, container you can give container. Inside the container there will be p tag. Just for now, I will be adding here text hard coded or whatever it is. July, and I'll give it a class months. First at the top there will be month, and I will give it a ID month, and I will copy this 4 times. First of all, there will be month, then there will be the day name. What is the day today? Yeah, Saturday. After this, whatever date you can give for now. It's 2024. Here it will be day. Here also it will be day, but number. Same thing. Copy paste here. And here it will be here. And same thing here also. So now that's all HTML you need. Now let us link our style tag, style CSS file. For that, link React style sheet and href style.css. And also include our JavaScript file here. Here we have script. Here we have source, that is app.js. Now let's close it. So we have linked our CSS and app. So now let's start adding style. So first of all, I will give some default style to every element. Tell margin will be 0. Padding will be 0 as well, and box sizing I'll give border box, and also font family I'll give sans serif. Yeah, let us check if our code is working fine along with developing. Here, open this on Google Chrome. Hope it works. Yeah. And let's add more style. So now I will give add style to body. Here I will give height of 100 VH, and it will be a flex box, and then justify content center it will be at the center of this page. Align item center. It is the one way of centering item inside a div or inside a container. Yeah. Then I'll give background color, everything, anything you want can give it a color. So now let's reload. Here it is. So our CSS is working properly. Now let's move on forward. Then we have containers, and in container we'll get background color white. Then width will be 50%. Then text align, I will give center, and then border radius 10 pixel, and border shadow, box shadow, here 0, 4 pixel, 8 pixel, and it will be black. So now let's reload. Here it is. So our container, again I will give one more thing. I'll give overflow hidden. So there's all the style for container. Now let's move on. Add style to the individual item inside this container. So first of all, we have month, day, and day number. Then here. So let's start with month. Here in the month, we'll add margin 0, background color. I'll give blue. Later on, you can change how you want, what color you want to give it. So you can give. So, and the text color, I'll give white. Then font width, weight, bold, and padding will be 10 pixel, and then margin bottom, yep, 10 pixel. Now let's reload. Yeah, it's fine. Now let's move on to our day part. So that's day. Here in the day, we'll be adding first font size. Font size, I'll give 20 pixel, and the color will be, I'll give it a gray. Then after this day, we have day number, which is in the number format. Here also I will give font size, and here the font size will be 80 pixel. As it is in number, so it will be quite larger in appearance. So, and margin will be 0, and font width will be bold. And after this day, we have our year. So in year, we'll give margin 20 pixel, 0, font size 20 pixel, color dark gray, and font weight will be 500. Now let's check how does it look. Here it is, and it is looking perfectly fine. So now we have to add JavaScript so that it updates every day you open it. So first of all, we just select our elements. First of all, we'll select our month element. Here, document dot get element by ID. Here it will be month. I'll not give here element. I will to make it as simple as possible. So let's copy it. First of all, here we have day, then it will be day, then day number, which will be day now, and here it will be day number, and here have year. Here also year. So we have this 4 elements. Now let us select our current date, that is date, which we can from new date. Here we have month going equal to here. Sorry. Here it will be semicolon. Then now we'll be taking month from the date itself. So cons, what is the current month? So current month will take date dot get month. So we'll get month from here, and we'll add this month to our month element. So here it is how we will do. So first of all, take month element and dot inner HTML will be equal to date to local string. It will be en comma, your month will be local service law, and same thing we'll do for day num. Day num in our symbol, here it will be weekday. Weekday will be long. So after this we will be having our day num dot sorry, here it will be day, not day now. Here it will be day, here it will be day now. So here dot inner HTML will be equal to date dot get date. Yes. Then we have here dot inner HTML will be equal to date dot get full year. So I think that's it. Now let's test if our application is working fine or not. Yeah, here it is. Today it is date 20 and it is 2024 and it is July and it's perfect. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked it, and if you did, just hit thumbs up and consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.